We're here in Norway at the beautiful Fjord, and as you can see, I mean, it's just amazing. It's beautiful around every corner. We have waterfalls coming down everywhere, sloping hills, and just gorgeous mountains. I'm here with an amazing cliff diver, Jackie Valente from Brazil, and we're super stoked to go to the famous Bridalveil waterfall later, and I can't wait to jump from that. This is the best part of our sport, and this is why we do it.
It's just beautiful to be up there and look to the nature and go for the dives together with David. And I feel pumped still and full adrenaline, and I'm so happy that everything went well and I'm going again.
I mean, we're both on top of the world right now. This is it's a feeling like nothing else, and it's something that only a few cliff divers can really attest to. Being in these conditions and this such epic scenery is absolutely amazing. This is going to be hard to beat.
So I'm really looking forward to coming back on July 12th to Kragerø, and it's just going to be an amazing event, and I hope everyone from Norway can come out and see the action.